In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create one-to-one email templates in ActiveCampaign Deals CRM, your full 2025 guide. If you're looking to streamline your client communications and keep your emails professional and consistent, this is the perfect tutorial for you. Let's dive in. First, start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, navigate to the Deals CRM section by clicking on Deals from the left-hand menu. This area is where you manage opportunities, and it's where you'll be creating your email templates. Now look at the top menu within the Deals section. Depending on your plan, you'll either see an Emails or a Templates tab. Click on the one that's available to you. Once there, you'll want to initiate the creation process by clicking Create a Template. At this point, you have the option to start from scratch or select from a variety of pre-designed templates. These are fully customizable to suit your needs. You'll want to choose one-to-one email template. This selection is crucial because it's designed for personal emails you'll send manually through the CRM rather than through automated campaigns. Next, it's time to name your template. Give it something descriptive yet succinct, such as follow-up template or client onboarding email. This naming will help you easily identify and select the right template when needed. With your template named, it's time to customize. Use the email editor to craft your message. Here you can add personalized fields like first name, company name, or deal title, which will automatically pull information from your contact database. You have the flexibility to add text formatting, hyperlinks, images, and even your email signature to maintain your brand's integrity and professionalism. Before finalizing, take advantage of the preview option. This feature allows you to see exactly how your email will appear to recipients. It's essentially a test run to ensure everything is in order. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can then confidently click Save and Exit. Your newly created template will now be available in your list of one-to-one email templates. When you're ready to send your email, open any deal record within the CRM. Look for the Send One Email button and select it. You'll be presented with a drop-down menu where you can choose your new template. If needed, personalize the email further by editing directly in the message field, then hit Send. ActiveCampaign will automatically log this email under the specific deal record, allowing for seamless tracking and follow-up. Here's a pro tip. Consider creating multiple templates tailored to different stages of your deal lifecycle. For instance, you can develop templates for lead follow-ups, proposal submissions, or thank you notes after project completion. This strategic approach not only saves time, but also ensures your messaging remains consistent and professional. And there you have it. You've successfully created and utilized a one-to-one email template within ActiveCampaign Deals CRM. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our channel for more helpful guides.